did you get that?
On your feet.
Hey, look, I'll be right back, guys. Okay. What are you doing over here? What do you want, Dark Knight? Well, why are you over here with these Western horses? These Western horses are my friends. Like me, because I'm important. Yeah, an important little reigning guy. Why are you over here with him? His name is Bandit, and he was teaching me how to reign. Right, Bandit? Yeah, but I had to stop and eat. You can't reign. You're not even a Western horse or Western material. I can be a Western horse. I can do anything I want if I put my mind to it. Don't quote Dad. Well, I'm quoting him. Well, don't. Come on, let's go. We should hang out with the popular people. Yeah, but the popular people, like TJ, has girls all over him. I'm not that type of girl. I'm a country girl. Yeah, you are. No, you're not. No, she's not. No, come on, let's go. We're going home. I guess you should probably go. I guess you're right. I'll come back tomorrow. Or maybe not. I have to do something. Bye. Come on, Dad's not going to be happy about this. You mean Mom? Because Dad's gone. I know Dad's gone. Hey guys, what's up? Nothing much. Okay. Let's try that raining thing again. Okay, Bandit? Rain. How many times do we have to do this a day? I've got work to do. I've got to work with the cows. There's other raining and cow cutting horses around. Come on, just once more. Fine, once more. Okay. Here I'm going. Hey, I slid farther that time. Yeah, like a foot farther. That's okay. That's good though, right? That I'm getting up there? Are you sure you want to keep doing this? Your buddy there. He's not my buddy. Well, he seems to think he is. Dark Knight. I don't like Dark Knight. He's not cool. You're cool. Yeah, I know I'm cool. Yeah, of course you are. Fight. I'm gonna win this fight. No, you're not. Girls, you wanna come to my place later? Sure. I'm gonna take on the winner. Because I think I can win. What is she doing over there with that guy? I'm supposed to be betrothed to her. We're supposed to get married. Not to cow-cutting bandit. Oh, here he comes. Who? Rain, what are you doing? You know you're not supposed to be over here with him. Remember? I told you that. I'm sorry, I forgot that my mom doesn't like Bandit. Well, you know what? I'm way better than Bandit. Oh yeah? Prove it. I will, 'cause fighting is proven to be more of a warrior style than protecting the cows. Cows are important to our herd. Or at least Sunstar thinks so. Yeah, Sunstar is getting old, and someone needs to replace him, and that's gonna be me. How do you know? It could be me. Why can't a mayor do it? 'Cause mayors can't do that stuff. They have lives. They have to have foals. Not all mayors have to have foals. Even if I did, I could still have a foal. I don't think you could. And besides, only the best warriors can do it. And that's why Bandit's been teaching me stuff. Right, Bandit? Yeah, I've been teaching her a lot of stuff. She got the reining down, and the cutting's good too. No, you can't do this. You can't be a warrior. I can if I want to be. No, you can't. Come on, let's go. You're gonna miss my fight. My fight's almost up. It seems like every time I try to hang out with you, someone always has to come and mess it up. I guess it's not meant to be that we hang out with each other. Don't say that, Bandit. I really like you. No, it's fine. You really want to do your dream of becoming a leader. And I don't want to be in that way. Catch you around. Fine. Oh, hey, Sunstar. Hi, Rain. How's it going? It's been going good. You think I could have a talk with you? Sure. Well, Sunstar, don't you want to see my fight? Sorry, Dark Knight. Maybe a different time. I've got to talk with Rain here about some important matters of business to cover. Really? What type? Let's go.